Okay, so my first question, Brandon, is when's like the first time you can remember like when you were going to school where like you like transitioned over from like paper writing to like start to doing stuff like online submissions? When can you like remember that being in play?
So that would be ninth grade,
Mm,
right? When I started going to Klein High and I got my own Chromebook, pretty much
mm,
everything online. I'm in college right now. I'm a freshman in college, and everything is online still. We use
right,
D2L for
right.
assignments and textbooks.
Do you think it was easier because when you look back on like doing stuff handwritten versus like doing it online, what do you think was easier? Do you think it was easier being able to write something down and then bring it into class, or do you think it's easier just to like have something with you where it's like always on your laptop and it won't get lost?
Because when I went to school in England, right,
Hmm.
I did 3 years of school in England, and we actually did more paper stuff in England. So I didn't have my own laptop in school. All the homework was done by hand, like on paper. And I
Hmm.
would say that's easier, to be honest. I prefer doing that. Um, doing that on paper and like being able to have like a physical textbooks that I found like easier to study. Even yeah, like taking a laptop to school every day isn't like it's not ideal, I think.
Next question is going to be focused around like 2020. So around the pandemic, when the pandemic came around, what do you think was like the biggest change for you? Like when you started doing Zoom, what was like the main difference from like your learning experience? Like what did you like observe from that?
The whole class was online, the teacher was online, and sometimes we'd have to have our webcams on, and we'd have to like mute our mics and then unmute to speak. It was just like a lot of technical difficulties that like slowed down the lesson. And I think the worst bit was it's just like less interaction with your teacher. You can't really like pull her to the side and like ask her a quick question in class.